Mia, are you awake?
Yeah. Why are you calling me this early?
What time is it?
Hold on. It's 8:17.
Wait, what?
What's wrong?
I'm supposed to be at work at 8.
Seriously? I thought you started at 9 today.
No, that was yesterday. My alarm never went off.
Did you set it?
I thought I did.
That's not very convincing.
I know. I'm looking at my phone now. The alarm's still set for Saturday.
Today is Tuesday.
Yeah, I noticed.
Well, no wonder.
I'm brushing my teeth and putting my shoes on at the same time?
That sounds dangerous.
Probably is.
Did you at least make coffee? Call your manager before you leave.
Good idea. Better than showing up late without saying anything.
Exactly.
Thanks. I really need to stop doing this.
Maybe set 3 alarms tonight?
Honestly, I might set 5.
Ethan? Did you use the last of the milk?
Maybe.
Maybe?
I had cereal last night.
There isn't even enough left for my coffee.
I thought there was another carton.
There was. Last week.
Oops.
It's not a big deal. I just wish you'd tell me when something runs out.
You're right.
Now I have to drink black coffee.
That's brave.
I don't want brave. I want milk.
I'll stop by the grocery store after work.
Can you get eggs too?
Sure. Anything else?
Bread. And maybe bananas?
Got it.
Should I text you a list?
Please do. Otherwise, I'll come home with chips.
I believe that.
Hey, chips are food?
Not breakfast.
Fair enough. Mia, have you seen my keys?
Didn't you leave them on the kitchen counter?
They're not there.
Check your jacket pocket.
Already did.
Your backpack?
Nope.
That's weird.
I'm gonna be late again.
Relax. We'll find them. Did you check yesterday's jeans?
Hold on.
Well?
You are a genius.
They were there?
Yep.
Happens every time.
I really need a better system.
Put a small bowl by the door.
That's actually a good idea.
Then your keys always go in the same place.
Why didn't I think of that?
Because you were busy losing them.
Fair point.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Do we have anything to cook?
Well, let's see.
That doesn't sound promising.
We have pasta.
Sauce?
Half a jar.
Cheese?
A little.
Vegetables?
That's a no.
So, dinner is plain pasta?
Or we order takeout.
We ordered food twice this week already.
True.
We should probably save some money.
You're right.
How about pasta tonight and grocery shopping tomorrow?
Works for me.
I'll make the sauce.
I'll boil the pasta.
Deal.
See? We solved the problem.
Let's wait until we taste it.
You don't look very awake.
I barely slept.
Really?
What happened?
I couldn't stop thinking about work.
Ugh, that's stressful.
Yeah, I kept checking the clock all night.
How many hours did you sleep?
Maybe 4?
That's not enough.
I know.
Are you going to be okay today?
I'll survive.
You always say that. Just don't drink 6 cups of coffee again.
It was only 5.
That's not much better.
I'll go to bed earlier tonight.
Good. Your body needs rest.
You're right.
And don't work on your laptop until midnight.
I'll try.
No, not try. Actually do it.
Okay, deal. Wait a second.
What?
I don't have my wallet.
Did you check your back pocket?
Yeah, it's empty.
Maybe it's in your jacket.
Nope.
Are you sure you brought it?
I had it this morning.
Where did you use it last?
At the coffee shop.
Do you think you left it there?
I hope not.
Let's call them before we drive back.
Good idea.
Here, use my phone.
Thanks. They found it.
Seriously?
Yeah, someone turned it in.
That's lucky.
I was already thinking about replacing all my cards.
Looks like you don't have to.
I'm definitely keeping my wallet in the same pocket from now on.
We'll see if you remember.
Fair enough.
Ethan, is your internet working?
Let me check.
Mine just stopped.
Nope, nothing's loading.
Great. I have to submit my assignment tonight.
Did you restart the router?
Not yet.
I'll do it.
Any luck?
The lights are back on?
Try opening a website.
It's working now.
Thank goodness.
What happened?
No idea.
Sometimes it just needs a restart.
Technology is weird.
It behaves until you really need it.
That's exactly how it feels.
Go finish your assignment before it changes its mind.
Don't even joke about that.
What time are we leaving?
I was thinking around 6.
Isn't that a little late?
Why?
It's Friday.
Oh, traffic is going to be terrible.
You're probably right. The event starts at 7.
It usually takes 30 minutes.
On a Friday? More like an hour.
Good point.
Let's leave at 5:30 instead.
That gives us plenty of time.
Exactly.
I'd rather arrive early than rush.
Me too.
Okay, 5:30 it is.
Perfect. I'll finish getting ready.
I'll grab the car keys.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Which shirt looks better?
The blue one.
Really?
Definitely.
I thought the white one looked more professional.
It does, but the blue one fits you better. Try putting on the jacket. Like this?
Yeah.
That looks great.
You think so?
Absolutely.
I always overthink these things.
Everyone does before an interview.
I'm just nervous.
That's normal.
Thanks for helping.
No problem. Now go impress them.
Did you hear the storm last night?
What storm?
You're kidding.
No. Was it bad?
It was pouring for hours.
I slept right through it.
Oh, I'm jealous.
Were you awake?
Most of the night.
Why?
The thunder kept waking me up.
I usually sleep through anything.
Apparently,
Did we lose power?
just for a few minutes.
I didn't even notice.
Must be nice.
How's the weather now?
Sunny, like nothing happened.
That's crazy.
Welcome to summer.